Did you get that?
No, that's Grandma.
Wow, show me.
See?
It's so pretty.
What else?
You got a lunch pail? Full of candy? Are you going to share with me?
I love this.
Are we going to share?
Yeah.
I'm going to eat it too?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is for you and one for you and one for you and one for Daddy. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Is that all for me?
It's one for me, one for you, one for Mommy, one for you.
Oh, good. I get two then.
Yeah, you can. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's Minnie Mouse.
It's so pretty. I love Minnie Mouse.
No.
You too?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it is mine.
That's so pretty too.
I know. Oh my gosh. It's a heart. It's a heart.
And there's candy inside.
Yeah.
I love candy.
Me too.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
What is it?
It's mine.
Oh, is that for me?
No, it's for me.
What's it say?
I don't know. I don't know. Can you read that?
Yeah, it says, because you're a special Valentine's princess and it's your special
Oh, Lord. Oh,
happy
just fell.
Valentine's Day. Love Grandma and Grandpa. Come here, and younger. I love and miss you, sweetie pie. Can't wait to see you. Love, hugs, and kisses. Hey, give Daddy all your candy. That's what it says.
And me and Papa and Grandma and Mama and Bucky.
Oh, yeah?
What else you got?
I don't have
The
them.
bear?
Yeah, I have a bear.
Where'd you get the bear? Can I have it?
No, it's mine.
Oh.
What about those?
What about those?
You can have them.
What about
Or look at where I'm pointing. Hello? Look. Look at what I'm pointing at. What about those? Is that yours?
Yeah.
Who gave it to you?
Where'd you get it?
I'm not giving it to me. I got it with this hand.
Never mind putting it away for now. Show me the other stuff. No, that stuff.
No, it's mine. It's a doggy. It's a doggy. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Oh
Oh my gosh.
my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Where did you get that? Oh my gosh.
From Grandma?
Oh my gosh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh my gosh. That's not very good.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh too.
How do I get those? How do I get this from?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Oh
There's
my
just,
gosh.
there's just so much.
She doesn't know where to. You need help?
I got it.
Oh my gosh.
It's stickers.
It is.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. I bought this for a baby man.
Did you?
Yeah, I did.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, not exciting.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's candy. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Where did you get that? Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
That's just so cool. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
That's so nice.
It's a kitty.
It is. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
It's just so lovely, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Where did you get that? Oh my gosh.
I did from Grandma.
Oh my gosh.
Not. That's from Cupid.
That's from Cupid. Oh my gosh.
Doggy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. What is that? Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
What is it?
It's Barbie clothes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
I love Barbie clothes. Oh my gosh.
Where's the card that Mama gave you and Buggy gave you?
I don't know. I can't.
They're over there, I think. Look. Where are they?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
Can you open this for me?
Oh my gosh. I cannot, not yet.
No, what about the card? Are you gonna do that after? Yeah. Show Mommy the card.
Here. Grab that one.
This one first.
Wait, oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. I saw it.
I love that
Where did
card.
you put where did you put the necklace?
I don't know.
You don't remember?
Yes.
You wanted. What about the candy? Mommy put the candy away already?
No.
Yes.
I got it over here.
The other candy that Mama got us?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
There's just so much candy.
Okay. Say thank you.
No, not yet.
Mommy
Oh
has
my
to stop.
gosh.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too.